The hydraulic machine receives a signal to open the oil valve and starts to operate after the oil cylinder is filled with hydraulic oil. Delay of 300 to 500 milliseconds per action. Each action can only be performed one by one. 6 actions: carriage moves left and right, mold opens and closes, and blowing pan insert and lift. Each delay is 400 milliseconds, with a total delay of 2.4 seconds. Each movement is accompanied by vibration, and the longer the usage time, the greater the vibration. Damage or aging of hydraulic rod seals can cause oil leakage and oil stains everywhere. Electric machine completes its operation within a specified time by increasing the current and speed of the motor without any compensation time. By rotating to change the length of the arm, the position can be altered. The electric blowing pan can be adjusted digitally to a precision of 0.1 millimeters, and the bottle mouth can be adjusted more accurately. Without interference, each action can be performed simultaneously. Main features: energy saving, high bottle output rate, smooth movement, easy installation, avoiding hydraulic oil pollution, safer and more reliable. Electric machines can achieve the effect of one-time investment and lifelong benefits.